Hey guys, here's how to rewire a fuse. Fuse wire through the middle on the diagonal, across, down there. Use a screwdriver, I do, just to push it in into a little clamp lock. Fold the excess back round like that. Repeat on the other side. Like so. So then you should have something that looks like that. 5 amp for lighting, 15 amp for power. I would recommend that you call an electrician rather than doing it yourself. I would also recommend that you upgrade these to the modern style MCBs. Stay safe out there people, and stay local, go coastal.